Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unlock hidden features in your email settings today. So here are some hidden email settings you will just have to unlock today. So what gonna do, if I just open this email and there is an option of star button, and what gonna do, I will just tab on it, this settings, just simply tab on it, see all settings, and you will just scroll down, and here is the option. You will just drag stars between the list, so the stars will rotate in the order shown below when you click successfully. And to learn the name of the star you search, however, you will just mouse over the image. Example, I will just put this one, purple color, and this is for not understand the email, and this green one tick is for, that mean that this email I was just read it and it was done. So I will just go back again in my inbox and simply just save changes. Now I will be just open it again, and I will just tab on it like this one. If I just not read it, and if I just not understand this email, so I will just mark it for this emoji. And if I just read it, so I will just put some like this one, and this green is for tick. So this is the hidden feature. And if I just go back inbox again, and example, I will just open this one, and I want to reply to this email. So basically in this feature, to unlock like undo send, enable this to recall a email within a few seconds of unsending. Example, I will just tab on it send, and few seconds I will be just get option for undo. I will just tab on it, simply undo. So in this way you will just have to use it. This is to unlock the email hidden feature. So here the third option is that you will see in the left side labels options. I will just tab on it. So you will just create a new label for your important emails first. And example, I will just write it for work, and I will just tab on it create. So I will just go in my inbox, and example, I will just this email into move to work. So I will just tap on it. So this is my important. So basically these are three unlock hidden features in Gmail settings. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.